Okay, this is week 3, second grade math. Say hi, Nick.
Hello.
Hi. So today we're going to be talking about subtraction. Okay? So we're not going to be regrouping, but we are going to be doing subtraction with multi-digit numbers. So what we're going to do first is we're going to do a quick review of place value. Okay, that we have the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. So Nicholas, do you see those numbers, 58, 671, 203, and 190?
Yep.
I would like you to write 58. Excellent. Now, why didn't you put the 5 in the hundreds row?
Because it is not 100. It is a 58. It's on the tens.
It is. The 5 is in the tens. So you have 5 tens. How many ones do you have in 58?
8.
Excellent. All right, put your next number in there. So how many hundreds do you have?
6 hundreds.
You have 6 hundreds. How many ones do you have?
1.
And how many tens do you have?
7.
Yeah, so you have 671. Excellent. Go put the next number in. Okay, how many tens do you have?
None.
You have 0 tens.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how many hundreds do you have?
2.
And how many ones do you have?
3.
Excellent. Write your last number. How many hundreds do you have?
1.
How many tens do you have?
9.
And how many ones do you have?
0.
Excellent. The other reason why we're doing place value, it's very important when you are subtracting to have your numbers all lined up in a row. So all your ones should be lined up together, all your tens should be lined up together, and all your hundreds should be lined up together. So I'd like you to erase that board, Nick.
Up to here?
Erase it. Yeah, don't erase the tens, hundreds, and ones, but everything else, yes. Erase the grid. You don't need to keep the grid up. You can just erase.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. So make sure that you're following along, that you have your piece of paper, your chalkboard, your dry erase board, whatever you have at home. Because now we're going to be doing some subtraction problems. You can erase the numbers below. All right, so Nick, I want you to write 59. Okay, and now I want you 59 minus 11. Like the way that you lined up your numbers, okay? So when you're subtracting, we always start with the ones first. So you're going to subtract 9 from 1, or
9.
1 from 9, excuse me.
8.
8, excellent. Okay, now you're going to subtract your tens.
5. 4.
Okay, excellent job. So 59 minus 11 is?
48.
So erase that. We're going to do 5 problems today. You can just quickly erase. There you go. Okay. So the next number I would like you to write is 25. Great. Minus 12. Okay, I like the way you lined up your ones. I like the way you lined up your tens. Start with the ones.
5. 4. 3.
Good. Now your tens.
2. 1.
Okay, do not start with the tens and go back. When we start regrouping, it will mess you all up. So always start with the ones. Great job. 13 is correct. Okay, erase. This is our third problem. All right, 199. Great, we have 100, 9 tens, 9 ones, minus 183. Like the way that your ones are lined up, your tens are lined up, and your hundreds are lined up. Start with your ones.
9. 8. 7. 6. 8. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1.
Notice how Nick is using his touch math. Okay.
0.
1 minus 1 is 0. So what's your answer?
16.
Yeah, we don't say 0, 16, do we?
Nope.
Okay, this is your fourth problem. Okay, 227 minus 15. Okay, notice here, this was a little bit of a tricky one. 227, 200s, 2 10s, 7 ones. 15 has 0 hundredths. So don't put your 1 in the hundred space and your 5 in the 10 space. So 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. So start by subtracting the ones.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 2, 1.
212. Last one. $999 minus 9. Okay, once again, I tried to trick you. 9 has 0 hundreds and 0 tens, so you should not put the second 9 in the hundred space. So start with the ones. 9 minus 9.
That's 0.
Yeah. Notice right here, you can put a 0 to hold your place, but you do not need a 0. It's the same. If you put nothing there, it's the same as saying 0. So 9 minus 9 is 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. Your answer is 999. Okay.
990.
Thank you for correcting me, Nick. 990. Be sure that you do the warm-up video. Be sure that you do a practice worksheet. And then do ST Math. Great job, everybody.